So now that you've opened up shop, created a template, and created your first listing, we are going to go ahead and search our keywords. Now, this is something you're going to want to do before you write your keywords in your title and your description and your tags. So I know I showed you before we did this how to set up and do your description and everything, but after you do your keyword research, go back in and add these to your listing. So since we did create an Instagram template in Canva, you can type that right into the search and it is going to give you some awesome analytics. Now, you can do a free trial with Marmalead, and I highly recommend just trying it out to see if you like it. You don't have to use it. You can always do keyword research other ways, but this is the quickest, and honestly, I'm a visual person. I need to see graphics that will help me decide on my keywords. So we typed an Instagram template up here. As you can see, that's not a long tail keyword. So typically they're going to want to see 3 words at least in what's called a long tail keyword, which is really good for SEO. So under here you can see that there are a good amount of searches. So people are looking for it on Etsy. Tons of engagement. But look, there is a lot of competition. So if you are trying to figure out some templates that you want to create, don't ever shy away from creating a template because every customer is unique. Some people might be looking for exactly the design that you come up with. So this isn't a huge indicator on whether you should or should not create a product, but just be aware there is a lot of competition out for specifically Instagram templates, but type in every single template that you want to create just to kind of see. You can also see the engagement over time when people are looking for it. It also gives you some inspiration of ones that are trending currently on Pinterest. And most importantly, it lets you see some pricing. So if you are struggling with pricing, definitely take a look at this chart. As you can see, there's a lot that are for $7, and it includes probably multiple listings because you don't ever want to just include one Instagram template. So this is probably a listing that has 15 to 20 Instagram templates or more for $7, but that looks to be the most popular price. As you can see, there are more expensive ones, but if you look into these listings, these will probably be including a lot more in terms of volume of templates in each listing. So you don't really need to look at shipping or anything like that. And then we are going to go down to Storm. I love using this feature. So type in any keyword that you think you want to use or even just your template, and it will instantly generate keywords for you. So you're going to want to look for keywords that are basically all green. Now these right here are going to be really heavy with not people searching it a lot. People are not really engaging with it a lot, but there is a good amount of competition. So try and stick away from these red ones right here. You're going to want to get something that's more along the lines of this, where people are definitely searching it, definitely engaging, and there's not a ton of competition. Just go through and you can always pick relevant ones to what you're creating. If you're doing ones for bloggers, you can just boop and it makes a list for you. And you can save this list and then take all of these keywords and put them into your titles and your descriptions, because we always copy our title into our description, and then also use them as your tags in the bottom of your Etsy listings. Now, one other feature that I really like is you can connect your Etsy shop and it will actually grade your listings. So an A grade is, in my opinion, really hard to get. And as you can see, I don't have A grades on things and I'm still making a ton of sales. So do not feel like you have to spend all of your time trying to perfect it and get this specific screen to say A's. Do not feel pressured to do that. Like you can see, mine are mostly B's. You can click on each listing and it will tell you exactly what to improve, which is really nice. It saves a lot of time, and it will also let you edit your listing directly from this screen. So when you click on the listing, it will take you to an edit screen and you can edit it and it will publish it to your Etsy. So it's not like you have to go back and forth. So I definitely love Marmalead for all of these reasons. Obviously, there's way more things you can do on here, but these are just the 3 screens that I use on here to do all of my keyword research.